with people wanting to get back together is that they need to become accustomed to things that they need to hear, not things that they want to hear. When you're still in love with your ex-wife, there is obviously something deep in your heart that you cannot let go. This is totally understanding. When we choose to marry someone, it is meant to be for keeps. Quite often with divorce and separation, the issues that enable the reasons for separation are overlooked by emotional overload and misinterpretation, usually due to the opposite sex differences. If you still love your ex-wife and want her back, I can make a couple of suggestions. The first thing is all about you. I know what it is like to be still in love with an ex, so I can guess as to how you may be feeling. Don't hesitate to drop a comment. What you should do is to stop any contact type, if you have any, and concentrate on evaluating your own personal feelings. Also concentrating on honesty, what went wrong with you guys. Taking notes does help this process. With all the information you can gather from doing those tasks will give you a clear understanding as to why and how you can make necessary changes for the better of yourself. A very important factor to keep in the back of your mind now and forever is there is no blame, but only reasons why. It is extremely important that each of us begin to understand that concept, as it gives us the skill to deal with the problems with more honesty, rather than have them clouded with defensive and angry emotions. Generally, for them to want to take you back, you will need to have your emotions in check. This may mean some counselling if you feel that you need some help to deal with some more severe issues, but generally, just as means that you need to do things that will excite you, or doing things that you enjoy. When you feel that you are happy and have things clear, you can make attempts to contact your wife and offer her your friendship. Don't come on strong at this point. You must remain reserved and take things slowly and strategically and build up that friendship based on respect. Something else that we need to accept as people is to accept the things that we cannot change and do what it takes to change the things that we can. If you truly still love your ex-wife and you're willing to learn, well, you can achieve any goal. If you want to stop the ongoing breakup and make-up cycle in your life and move forward, then I recommend changingthecycle.com. If you have had any benefit from this article, please hit the thumbs up for me and take a look in the link in the description box for a really detailed, powerful program that can ensure you can work through everything and have the greatest success. Even if you don't end up getting your ex-wife back, this will really help you become a better person and create a life for better love in your future.